In today's video, I will walk you through how to customize your CoinGecko portfolio. CoinGecko's portfolio feature is one of the most underrated tools in the space. Instead of one giant cluttered list, you can create multiple thematic portfolios. Think AI narratives, Layer 1 plays, or DEX audits. This organization allows you to track market sectors at a glance and react to momentum shifts before the rest of the market does. First, navigate to the Portfolio tab. Click New Portfolio and give it a specific functional name. Don't just group by My Holdings. Create thematic lists. For example, have a watch list for projects you're auditing, and separate portfolios for different ecosystems like Solana-based tokens or low-cap gems. When you find a new project, search for the coin and click the star icon to add it to your specific list. You can add a single coin to multiple portfolios, which is a great way to cross-reference performance across different categories. This is where the real alpha is. Once you're inside a portfolio, look for the Display and Filter button. Stop looking at just the price. Tailor your view to show metrics that actually inform your strategy. Market cap and 24-hour volume. Essential for filtering out low-liquidity garbage projects. Fully diluted valuation, FDV. Use this to understand the true long-term supply pressure of a project. Percent change, 1 hour, 24-hour, 30D. Sorting by these columns is the fastest way to identify which sectors are currently seeing capital inflow. If you're tracking your actual holdings, make sure to input your entry prices. This unlocks real-time P&L tracking, letting you see your drawdown or gains without having to log into a dozen different exchange accounts. To wrap up, use the portfolio feature to group coins by narrative, customize your columns for deeper valuation metrics, and use the mobile app's price alerts to stay notified when your targets are hit. And that's how to customize your CoinGecko portfolio.